Xiaomi Mi Max 3, upcoming specs and features. As we all know, Xiaomi has officially launched the Mi Max 2 on May 25, 2017. Recently, latest news on the Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has been spread on the internet. The Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is likely to come with a 7.0-inch 2160 by 1080 pixels display, with the aspect ratio of 18 by 9. If the phone's bezels both on the left and right become further narrowed, the Max may bring better holding feeling than its predecessor. The Max 3 is likely to be available in two variants. One will be powered by Snapdragon 630 processor, and the other will be powered by Snapdragon 660 processor. The smartphone is estimated to sport a 5000 mAh super large battery which will support Quick Charge 3.0 technology. The Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is supposed to be officially launched as Xiaomi's new flagship in the early of next year.